The other big thing that's come to notice quickly is interest-free loans to kids. Typically, you can give kids an interest-free loan, right? And typically the word would be it's repayable on demand, and there's not necessarily any tax implications, provided what you look at is if you've say 300,000 like Paul in the bank, and he is looking for a deposit interest on that for the year. Now, most likely now with the lousy deposit interest rates we have, the value of that is below 3,000. So there won't necessarily be any tax implications. If it's substantially beyond that 3,000, there will be a tax implication. Now, you must have it repayable on demand and all of that sort of stuff. You can do that. What the government have now said is that if you are giving a loan in excess of the CAT 335 to your children, you need to report it. Okay? So it's a new reporting obligations. Of all of us in the room, we all know the two persons at the back, this will probably be the only ones that will affect. But basically what it means is you have a reporting obligation if you're getting an interest-free loan from parents.
And then you're inheriting, say, a piece of land worth 500,000.
Yeah.
Can you say that 100,000 was a loan, and I'm still trying to get me 335? Because it may have been a loan.
Yeah, but now what has happened is it's not possible to repay that loan, is it?
No, but you can go back into the estate.
Well, you could do if you wanted to. Yeah. Isn't it great when you do these sessions live? You get really difficult and awkward situations that you wouldn't have thought about yourself.
To make the fucker earn his money.
Yeah.
Well, isn't that,
Thank you. Yeah.
yeah, but I think the question is here, the question I would ask is, so if you inherited the estate was, 400,035, does that mean that you'll get your 3,335?
That's the balance over that is
Yeah.
tax. Yeah.
Yeah.
And by the way, if your inheritance is that, the 3,000 doesn't apply on an inheritance. It just applies on lifetime gifts.
Okay.
Oh my God, lads, I'm worn out. I don't know about you guys. The other interesting thing, I just put that, one of the things is we all complain about tax in Ireland, right? And about how horrible and how high the rates are. Look at that slide. I mean, you're looking at France 45, Japan 55, and in the States, isn't it 40%? Look, we're bad enough, but we're not the worst of them,